Ecological views of the Aborigines in Taiwan. The Atayal people are the earliest surviving Aboriginal people who migrated to Taiwan Island, about 6,000 to 7,000 years ago. It is also the most widely distributed in Taiwan. Traditionally, a hunter who does not use a gun must be a knowledgeable and highly skilled ecologist, because he not only knows animals, but also plants. To survive in the mountains and forests, one must also know phenology, understanding the interaction of species within the ecosystem. The Atayal do not view the boar and the hunter in a hostile relationship. On the contrary, in the fierce struggle of life and death, it is deciding who will become whose food. So the relationship of providing food for each other is a dependency relationship, not just hostility. Aboriginal hunters in Taiwan do territorial activities in one place, and he defines his own territory. The hunting ground has a fixed area and scope. Because of the animal's field behavior, there will be a fixed number of certain animals. So if they want to surpass the amount that this field can give them, they have to wait. This is the concept of discontinuous hunting that everyone developed later. Hunting is one of the Benin's important economic and production methods, and it is also a kind of life learning. They go up the mountain to hunt, in addition to obtaining protein from animal meat, and also to explore the meaning of life and spiritual value. During the breeding period of wild animals, most tribes regard it as a hunting-free period. Environmental and cultural destruction. Once the natural landscape and environment are changed or destroyed, it is extremely difficult to restore. City corporations develop mountain resources with its strong capital, causing rapid changes and transformations in the economic structure and values of the Aboriginal settlements. The government ignores the equal rights and interests of the indigenous people, causing the indigenous people have no trust in the government, so that they are unable to cooperate with various environmental protection measures and continue to protect nature. Tourism destroys the environment and culture of Taiwan's mountains. With the introduction of tourism into residential areas, folk customs have degenerated, land has been lost, and culture has become commercialized. There are 9 national parks in Taiwan. Among them, 3 in the Aboriginal areas. These national parks have destroyed the lives of indigenous people. National parks are products of the United States. Affected by the wrong concept of wilderness, people mistakenly thinking that humans are just visitors to the wilderness, ignoring the existence of the Aboriginal people who lived in it for a long time. This is also the case in Taiwan. Environmental and cultural destruction. For many Aborigines, hunting has been a way of life since their ancestors hundreds of years ago. Animals and plants have not become extinct. In the last century, the reason why plants and animals have become scarce is not due to hunting culture. It lies in the intervention of the market economy and improper road construction. Market economy introduced a large number of mountain shops to hunt for endless supply. Improper road construction destroys the habitat of the animals, leaving them nowhere to shelter. The crisis of biological extinction should not be borne by the indigenous people. It is to rethink the impact of development on mountains and forests.
Question: why do the Aborigines of Taiwan hunt at intervals since ancient times? Please choose the right end screen.